bald eagle soars through the open sky with pride. Its cry echoes like a hymn of the wild, untamed, undaunted, and gloriously styled. Perched on high, in pine or peak, its golden eyes, sharp, ancient, sleek. A symbol of freedom, strength, and grace, carving wind trails through time and space. To see one fly is to witness might, wrapped in feathers kissed by light. A guardian of rivers, a forest, of snow. Wherever it flies, wild beauty will grow. Their nests are thrones in towering trees, where peace and power ride the breeze. In their presence, hearts are stirred, without a single spoken word.